Hey, I'm Lauren, and I just got my Target Baby Registry free $100 goodie bag in the mail. So I want to go through everything that comes in the bag, how to qualify for the bag, and if I think it's worth it, because I did have to pay for shipping. Although you don't always have to pay for shipping, there are other ways to get around it, but I'll get into that in a sec. So I am almost 6 months pregnant, and I have a baby registry at Target, Amazon, and Babylist. So I'm going to be going through all of their bags here on YouTube and then also on my blog. But I got the Target one first. So we're going to start with that. And then at the end, I'll probably do a roundup and just say which one I think is the most worth it. The way you qualify for the Target bag is you have to be a Target Circle member, which is free to sign up. And then you create a baby registry with Target. And once $10 is purchased off of your registry, whether someone purchases something for you or whether you purchase something for yourself, which is what I did, then you qualify for the bag. So it takes like 24 to 48 hours, but then you will see where you can get the bag. I don't think they sent me an email actually. I had to log into my baby registry and scroll around a little bit, and then I found where I can get the bag. And then you can go into the store. I do recommend calling the store and making sure they have it in stock. But I actually just got mine in the mail because I didn't want to go into Target. So I ended up having my bag delivered because I just didn't want to go into Target. So shipping was $6.41. And I believe if you have a Target order with enough items to meet their shipping threshold, you do get free shipping. You just add this to your cart as if it was any other item. But there was just nothing else I needed from Target at the time. So I just got this bag and it shipped really fast. It came in like 2 days, which is pretty standard for Target shipping. I feel like they're really good at shipping fast. And yeah, let's get into what comes in it. I also feel like I should mention, I don't have any other kids. This is my first. I'm having a girl and I really know nothing about babies. So you probably will see these items and be more excited about them than I will, just because all I know about babies is the research I've done in the last 6 months and then all of the items that I've added to my baby registry. And I'm hoping that there are some items that are on my registry so that I can get like a little sample size and see what I like about it. But I just want to throw that out there. I am no baby expert, and I'm assuming a lot of you guys that are watching this probably aren't either, and that's why you're watching this video. So we should start a club. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. So the first item is a healthy baby diaper. And this is a plastic neutral product enhanced with organic cotton, EWG verified, which I tend to lean more towards clean beauty, and I'm definitely leaning towards clean baby products. So I am very excited to try all of the clean diaper brands out there. And I have actually never heard about this one, so that will be cool to see. You get 2 diapers in this, and they're size 1, which I believe is not newborn. It's the next size up, but don't quote me on that. So 2 diapers of that, and then you also get 2 of the Millie Moon diapers. This is a luxury diaper brand. This is also a very clean brand, and you get size 1 as well. So maybe it is, I love how it says unisex, like what? Okay, but maybe the 6 to 11 pounds, I feel like that would be a newborn. So maybe size 1 is newborn. Again, I said don't quote me on this. But I'm very excited to try both of those. Okay, Pampers sent you one of their Pure Protection. This is 100% leak-proof, plant-based skin protection diaper. It's also a size 1, and theirs is for 8 to 14 pounds. I actually have not heard about Pampers being clean, so that would be cool if it is clean, because I feel like Pampers is sold everywhere. Next is a Philips Avent anti-colic bottle. It doesn't really have any more details about it, but it is a plastic bottle. So I am leaning towards glass bottles just because I'm learning so much about microplastics and how they're not good and you don't want your babies to have them. So I was actually leaning towards Dr. Brown's brand. They have some other glass bottle brands too, but this is their anti-colic bottle. This is not glass, unfortunately. So this is a brand that I've heard a lot of really good things about. This has an interesting feature. So it has this green vent. I don't know if you can see that in there, and that's removable. So I have heard that the vent system is really annoying to clean. So a lot of people just use the bottle as is, but that's cool that you get 2 bottles in there, or 3. Okay, so this is a Tommy Tippy And this is the advanced anti-colic bottle. It helps ease discomfort of colic gas and reflux. It includes 2 nipples, a slow flow and a medium flow. And I like how it tells you like slow flow is for 0 months plus, and then medium flow is for 3 months plus. That's really helpful for new moms like me that have no idea what I'm doing. So that's really nice. And then this is also plastic. So it's funny because all of my friends that have kids are like, glass bottles sound like an amazing idea, but they are heavy. And babies like to launch them once they get that arm strength. So you definitely want to get the silicone bottle protectors if you are going to do glass. So I probably will experiment with a few of the plastic bottles. Like I'm going to try these just because I got them for free, but I don't know, I'm still leaning towards glass. I'm also going to try to breastfeed, so hopefully I won't need that many bottles anyways, but now I have some options. Next is Honest wipes. So these are their sensitive, clean, conscious wipes. They're fragrance free, and you get 10 in this kit, which is really nice. And then you also get water wipes. So you get 10 water wipes. This is another really clean brand. This is the world's purest baby wipe. And I've heard interesting reviews of these actually. I've heard interesting reviews of all the wipes. If you go down the review rabbit hole, you will actually lose your mind because everyone has a differing opinion. But I guess that's what's nice about these is you get to experiment and see what you like and what you don't like. And then also Millie Moon. So they gave you 5 sample wipes. These are for sensitive skin as well. These are plastic-free cloth, 0% fragrance, 99% natural formula. So you get 5 of these. I feel like these would also come in handy just to have in your diaper bag or just have around like in the car or wherever. So like those small sample bags are probably really helpful. Oh, this is cool. This is Kendamil. This is their whole milk infant formula. It's a milk-based powder with iron. So this makes 1 bottle, and then it's for any age 0 to 12 months. A lot of people told me you want to bring the formula that you want to feed your baby to the hospital because they do have formula, but it might not be the brand that you want. So if you're looking for something really clean, then bring that with you. And then it's nice because they have samples like this that you can test at home. But I'm not sold on which one I'm gonna bring yet. There's one that's like from Europe that I'm leaning towards, but we'll see. Okay, next is the Dapple Baby bottle and dish soap. This has no harsh chemicals. It's pediatrician, dermatologist tested, and hypoallergenic. And then it has a coupon included on the back. And then this is the Palmer's cocoa butter formula. So you can test this on your stomach, and it says that it works for stretch marks. It boosts collagen, elastin. It has argan oil and shea butter, and it's free of mineral oil, parabens, and phthalates. I am not 100% sure how clean Palmer's is, but that's nice that you get to test it before you buy a full-size bottle. And then this is actually, I think this is the brand that I have on my registry, the Dapple Baby. This is the breast pump wipe. This is plant-based and it just comes with 1 wipe in it. I also want to mention if you do plan to try to breastfeed, you can qualify for a free breast pump through your insurance. So like I just got the, LV, yeah, because it's really expensive if you want to pay out of pocket. So insurance will cover it, and they'll cover 1 a year, which is really cool because my baby's due in February. So in January, I'm going to apply for, because everyone says you need 2 different ones. You need the portable ones, and then you need the kind that's like hospital grade that plug into the wall, and that's going to give you like the full amount of suction, I guess. So make sure you check your insurance. It was kind of a hassle to get it with insurance, but I think it's totally worth it to save hundreds of dollars on a breast pump. Okay, Boogie wipes, gentle saline nose wipes. These are unscented. This is so funny actually because I used to work for a PR company back in like 2011, and this was one of our clients. So I've actually used Boogie wipes on myself, not on a baby, but that's cool that they're still around. And then this also comes with a $1 coupon on the back. Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy. So this is fragrance free and steroid free, hypoallergenic. It has colloidal oatmeal and vitamin B5. So this is clinically proven to relieve itchy, irritated skin due to eczema. And the active ingredient in this is colloidal oatmeal. So That's nice. I actually like Aveeno products. They're not all clean. I check most of my products on EWG and Yuka, which is YUKA. It's an app. It's like $9 a year, but they have way more products than the EWG. So if you're trying to like clean up your beauty routine, or if you want to look at baby products, it's a really good app to look at. It's an app on your phone. It's not a website, whereas EWG is more of a website. I'm definitely going to check this because I've been using the Aveeno body wash. My first trimester was so rough. I was so sick, so sick. I ended up having to take Bungesta, which is a prescription. It's basically just Unisom and then vitamin B, but I was so sick. I just stopped taking it this past weekend and now I'm 23 weeks. So it was bad. So like I had to switch my deodorant, my body wash, like everything smelled bad and made me nauseous. And so right now I am using an Aveeno body wash that is clean. So that'll be cool if that's clean too. Okay, now CeraVe sent a moisturizing cream for baby. This is such a tiny sample, but in my experience, yeah, this isn't clean. This has phenoxyethanol, which is a preservative that is used in cleaner, like greenwashed brands, but it's actually not clean. So I probably will not be using that sample. So yeah, check all your products. I feel like especially on your little baby, their skin is gonna absorb everything. They're so new. They don't have any sort of tolerance built up. So you really wanna be using super clean products on them. So I like that they sent some clean diapers and clean options. Okay, gripe water. So this is for gas, colic, and hiccups. It relieves occasional stomach discomfort and fussiness. And I am not too familiar with gripe water. I've obviously never used it. How many come in this? This is just a sample size, and you can use this starting at age 2 weeks. And then they sent you this coupon for $2 off. So that's cool if you like gripe water. Okay, and then the last item is a Lancino nursing pad and breast milk storage bag with samples inside. Does it say how many? No, but all right, cool. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the Target bag. Review of the bag. I feel like they say it's worth $100. I don't know, like maybe because the bottles make it more expensive, but I feel like it's just a lot of samples, which is nice. I actually love samples. You're not wasting a whole, like buying a whole product, testing one, realizing you don't like it, and then sending it back, or just wasting that money. So I actually am okay with that, but I don't know if it's worth $100. It's definitely worth the $6 that I paid though. So if you can get this for free, you might as well. And then I'm pretty sure Target has coupons. So if you get everything on your registry, then you get like a 15% off completion coupon. So if you want to buy anything at Target after you've completed your registry, then that's when you would do that. What I also like about the Target registry, it only works for items at Target, so that is important to note, whereas Babylist is for any website anywhere. Same thing with Amazon, they just have a much larger variety of products, although Target's baby section is very impressive, especially online. But honestly, to get all of this, I just put like 3 items on my registry. So when you make your Target registry or any registry, you can just put items that you know you want to purchase from Target on your registry, and once you hit completion, then you get that discount coupon. So let's say you want to buy your stroller at Target and you want to wait until it goes on sale. Well, now you have a 15% off coupon. So, you know, that's helpful. But I guess we'll just see what comes in the baby list and the Amazon boxes soon. I hope you guys found this informative, and go get your free stuff.